Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Zookeeper from Zoonomaly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw a curve across for the top of the mouth. Now from both ends, let's continue the line by curving it up. And now let's curve it down and in on both sides. And then close off the bottom with the jagged line. Next, let's add a border inside the mouth. Let's start with a curve across at the top, and then a U-shaped curve underneath. And now let's color the shape in black. Next, let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw the teeth. On the top, let's draw two long V-shapes for the first set, and the V-shaped teeth in between. Now let's do the same thing on both sides, working our way outwards. And now let's do the same thing for the bottom row. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move up and let's draw the nose. On top in the center, let's draw a U-shaped curve. Then for the ends, let's loop it around and back in. And then color both of the nostrils in black. Next, on top, let's draw a curve down and in on both sides for the sides of the nose. Now next to the nose here, let's add the eyes. Let's start on the top of the nose and let's draw a curve up, out, and back in. And the same on the right. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve next to each eye, and then another set of curves out and around the mouth, meeting at the bottom. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with a large curve across the top of the head. And then let's add another curve on top. Now underneath each end, let's draw another curve back in. And lastly, one more curve on top for the top of the hat. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same on the right. Then from the bottom, let's curve it up on both sides. Now let's leave a small gap and let's draw a curve out and in on both sides for the body. And then in the middle, a small curve. Next, across the belly, let's draw the bottom of the shirt with a curve across. Next, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start next to the collar and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then a curve inside for the sleeves. Now let's draw another longer curve down. And one more on the inside for the other side of the arm. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. For the inside line, let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumbs. And then for the outside line, let's draw an angle down. Then let's curve it in, up, and back around for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move in and draw the legs. From the sides of the body, let's draw an angled line down on both sides. And then two curves down in the middle. Now at the bottom, for the feet, let's draw two angled lines out. And close off the end with a curve. And lastly, let's draw some curves inside for the toes. And that's it for the Zookeeper. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!